How is everybody doing, guys? So yeah, so another, well, depends on your perspective, but it was another good day, or a good day in the Autobot DMT trading market for us guys that trade the DMT. I know a few of you guys out there. I speak to a couple of you guys in the chat rooms daily. So we had a good day today. So yeah, as you can see, the 15-minute DMT, we had a sell signal. Obviously backed up also by what was also backed up by a sell in the Dominator, which gave us that extra confidence, and a sell on the 30-minute too. So what we had the sell signal, so we took our sell around 9,750. It was basically 9,750, and then we got our trading take profit, where we got out the trade round about here. I did actually hit the take profit manually, but it was pretty much the price the trading take profit would have got it at. And then I also went long in my main account at 9,500, and then again at 9,600. So I'm currently sat in a long trade in my main account too. So we will see if we can get another bounce from this 9,600 level. I have been saying I have been able to, and obviously you guys, everyone's been able to that wanted to, buy the 9,600 level quite a few times over the past week or so. So obviously the more times we test it, the less strong the support will get. But we are in an overall bullish market, so hopefully we can blast off this time. Going over to the bot account, you can see I disabled when I was short. I think I told you in this morning's video, I disabled the short Ethereum bot, and if we do go over to the Ethereum trade bot, that did actually put us into a trade. So we would have been short at 260, and we're currently at 264 now. So yeah, based on where I could see the actual sell level was in this area of support, and also with me being short Bitcoin, I didn't want to take on the extra Ethereum short risk, the extra short crypto risk overall. So I closed that bot off, and as it stands, looking like it was a good decision. But I mean, everyone has to manage the risk how they see fit. But yep, so that's that. Over to so if you want to have a look at the 25-minute Bitcoin Dominator, you can see that got a short as well, and basically around the same price, 9,750 area. So yeah, like I did say with the settings for it, to sell at the level, sell $50 higher, then sell $50 higher. I mean, again, this has worked out perfectly, perfect strategy. And then bang, then there's a sell-off. So that just further confirms my belief with how I want to set up that different bot, the other bot, so the DMT bot and the Dominator bot. So yeah, so that's something that I am going to set up. So yeah, I did say I was going to set it up today, but I've got another video to do on forex trading. So I may not get time, but I'll do that tomorrow if I don't get time today. So that was it really. So we go over to here if we see my deals. So yeah, to that trade today was $248. No active deals. Deal history. So we've had 9 deals with the bot, and 0.07 BTC profit. So I'm happy with that, and we are running at a good level of percentage. That will be in the video description, no doubt. So 9 trades completed. First trade was a loss, but you know that happens. Second trade a win. This was a scratch, then a win, then a loss, then a win. It's basically a break even, and then a win. So pretty pleased with how it's going. I'm also pleased with that the next trades will be buys. So it's just a waiting game now. Be patient. The DMT will keep us patient with the bot trades. Obviously, like I said, I'm long in my own account as well anyway. But yeah, DMT will keep us waiting, keep us out of the market until it is a decent entry, like it had done numerous times before. We were looking, if we go over to the DMT chart, 15-minute chart here, you can see where was I itching to buy. to be honest, I was itching to buy all of this sell off down here, and then we did get our buy and we got a good profit from that. And then I was itching to buy again all the way through here, then we got our buy, then we got a good profit from that. So I mean, you can see like this one especially, waiting after we got the sell, and we took the short trade. I mean, now then we're waiting for the buy trade, and you just have to be patient. We nearly got there. That obviously we were in a sell trade. We nearly got there, and we did nearly get to a buy. Nearly did have to flip that position, and then we nearly got the buy there. We didn't quite get it. Nearly got the buy there. We didn't quite get it. Well, we didn't really get it there, but then we broke through, and then we had the rally, which would have been the only point where it obviously would have got us a good move. So yeah, DMT indicator will keep you honest, prevent you from getting into a market too early, which is why it's great. So thanks for listening, guys. I'm going to do a video on forex trading actually after this. So yeah, if any of you guys do trade forex, if you want to have a look at that, and yeah, so thanks for listening. Remember, none of this is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research. Always consult a financial advisor if you're gonna make any risky trades or investments. Like in Tesla, one of my friends who isn't actually isn't a trader. He doesn't normally buy shares at all. He's actually a plasterer, and he buys and does up houses. But he has decided to buy a good few £1,000s worth of Tesla shares. I think he's bought in at $890. So he sat offside on that trade. But we all know what is the sign you're at the top of the market when just anybody's buying. People that don't normally buy. I mean, that is a sure sign of the top of a frothy market, which I have told him, but I mean, you do never know, it could go up. But yeah, so we'll see what happens with that. Anyway, but yeah, so thanks for listening, guys, and I will have another video over shortly. And yeah, so and happy trading, guys.